Windows performance can be a hit or a miss. Microsoft tries its best to provide features that can help speed up your system. And this hidden feature is perhaps the best of them all. Yes, I'm going to show you this hidden feature, Windows feature that can speed up your PC. You don't have to do any hardcore changes in the system files, nor you need to install any third-party tool. But yes, you have a feature in Windows which you can use to speed up your PC. So before I start, I'll tell you about this feature. This feature is named as SysMain, which can make your PC faster. SysMain, previously called Superfetch, is a background service in Windows that regularly monitors the program you use and loads them into memory to make your PC faster. So for example, if you open your web browser frequently, SysMain will preload it into your system's memory. The next time you open your browser, it will open faster because Windows have already loaded all the files it needs to run the browser, making your computer seems faster than it is. But however, the downside of loading programs into memory is that it uses system resources before they are necessary, causing a spike in your CPU and memory usage. For example, if you are a core gamer, you can set this option off so that any other application won't interfere in your core program. So to start with, you have to either take the run application or you can press Windows key plus R, from where you will get the run application. And from here, you have to type in services.msc. Then click on OK. This window will take you to the services page, from where you will be able to see all the services that is running in your Windows. So from here, next thing is you have to find SysMain. Just type in S, you will get the services starting with the letter S. From here, just look for SysMain. As you can see it here, just double click on it. And you can see that currently the service is running. So you can stop it if it's already running. Also, you can change the startup type from here. Change it to manual. So doing that, it will prevent the services from automatically starting when you boot up your Windows. Either you can put it to manual or disabled. First you have to change the startup type, then you have to click on stop. So I'm changing it to manual and then click on stop. Done. That's cool. Then click on apply, then click on OK. Now you will be having enough memory and CPU. So disabling this feature will speed up your system further. Also, as I mentioned before, disabling SysMain won't break your system. So I highly encourage you to try it out yourself. So hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.